Hey guys, Casey Sangwins here at Junction City, Oregon. Guaranty RV. Sun's coming out, it's time to get out camping. Today I want to show you this new 2019 2318G Rockwood tent trailer. This one does have a slide, as you can see here. Over here on this side, you've got an outside shower, all your connections. Not a whole lot over here. Let's go over on the other side and inside and take a look. Biggest thing about these is they do come with a barbecue that attaches onto this rail here, a barbecue and a little table. It does hook up to your main propane tank up front, so you don't have to bring your own barbecue anymore. It's already attached to the trailer. Let's go inside and take a look. Coming inside, you've got a nice king-size bed up front. A lot of counter space over here, and if you lift this up, you actually have a bathroom in this unit. So flushing toilet, this is a full bathroom with a shower. There is a shower curtain that attaches up here, so if you need to hose yourself off, clean the kids up, whatever, you can do that in this unit. You've got your galley up here with a nice 3-burner stove and a fridge down here on the bottom. You've got nice drawers so you can store your silverware in there. And the thing I really like about what Rockwood does is the way they hinge this galley. It hinges straight up and down, so if there's any residual water left in the sink, or if you do have your silverware stored in that drawer, it's all going to stay, it can stay in there and not flip over. Again, this one does have the slide, so you get a nice big dinette. This does fold into a table, so a lot of extra sleeping there. Back in the back, got a little more counter space here and another nice bed back here. I love these little hammocks to be able to store extra clothes, sleeping bags, throw a flashlight up there. It comes with lights that attach onto this support bar, plugs in right there so you can see in the dark. Up here you've got another nice couch, a lot of sleeping, and this does fold out again and make even more sleeping. So a ton of sleeping area in this particular trailer, plus the bathroom. This is a winner in my book. Again, if you have any questions about this, my name's Casey. Give me a call, 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you.